Hey there, this is my first video tutorial. I'm a web developer. I've been into this field for a couple of years. One thought that motivated us to create this channel is our love for web development. This channel is intended for web developers, for those who are just getting started in web development, and also for those who are just curious about websites. Alright, so let's get started. In our very first video, we are going to learn how to add parallax effect in our website using jQuery. Okay, so first we will talk about the parallax effect. As you can see on the screen, this is the project that we are going to develop in this tutorial. I've added two parallax sections and you can see this blue section is floating over the images. It feels like it is floating over the images. Okay, so this is the parallax effect. Okay, now let's talk about the files or the libraries that we need to create this parallax effect. So we just need two things. Number one, jQuery file. You can go to jQuery.com. You can just click here. You can download any version 1.x or 2.x. Both version works fine. Second thing we need is parallax.js. You can go to pixelcock.github.io/parallax.js. Don't worry about the links. I have mentioned all the links in the description below. Okay, you can click here to download this project, or else you can click here, go to the GitHub and download zip file. The file which you will download from here will contain all these files, and we need only these two files to include our project. Okay, so let's just create a project similar to this. Alright, so currently our project looks like something like this, and this is our project structure. I have a CSS folder, contains main.css file having a very basic CSS, margin 0, padding 0 to the body, and a center class. I have a dependency folder which contains the parallax.js folder, which you might have downloaded from here or here. Okay, I have an image folder which contains all the images that we are going to use in a project, and a JS folder containing jQuery file. And I have a last file that is index, and it contains, you can see the main.css. I have linked the main.css file here. Here is the heading, and here are the scripts. Make sure you have loaded jQuery first. After that, you have included the parallax.main.js file. Alright, so as you can see now, this is our current project. Okay, and now let's just add parallax effect to this page. First we will create few divisions. Let's say this is our parallax target. We will also give it a class of section 1. Next we will create another division with a class of middle and section 2. Okay. Now let's just go to the documentation of parallax.js. We have finished with the installation part. You can see the jQuery link and the parallax.js. We have given here jQuery and parallax.js link, sorry. Now let's just come to the usage part. Okay, there are two types of triggers that you can use for parallax.js to trigger this plugin. Number one is using the attributes. Okay, so in our case, this is the target division. We want to use parallax on this division. So what we can do is we can add these attributes to this division. Now this is the data parallax attribute, which is scroll, which is having a value of scroll, and another is a data image src, which contains the path to the image to display. Okay, so let's just do it. Data parallax scroll. Yeah, and data image src equals to img/1.jpg in my case. Alright, so this is all you need. No, we forgot something. Yeah, we forgot to give some styles, basic styles to parallax target and middle section, because as you can see, there is no content in these divisions, so their default height will be 0. So we will give some default height here. Dot parallax target min height 400 pixel. Alright, yeah, one more important thing. This is the parallax target division. I mean, we are going to implement or attach the parallax effect to this division. So we have to give background transparent. Then only we can see image behind this division. Okay, so make sure you have mentioned background transparent in the CSS. Now let us give the min height to our middle section, I mean the section number 2. Min height 400 pixel. Yeah, so we have added 2 divisions. Okay, this is a section 1, this is a section 2, and we have given some basic styles, minimum height and background transparent, to make sure our parallax effect works fine. Now let us see. Yo, we did it and it's working. Now we can add few more divisions. Let's just copy paste this. Yes, it's working fine. We can change the image source and see. Wow. So that's it. So this is all you need. Alright, few more things, like this plugin contains a lot of attributes. You can refer to this website, and there are a lot of attributes and the descriptions are mentioned in the page. All the links that we have used in this project are mentioned in the description below, and also download link is there in the description. Thank you for watching.